It's the best Mother's Day gift ever! What's up, you guys? So I have my brother with me. I was so excited, you guys. He came and surprised me, and I'm gonna surprise my mom for Mother's Day, and she's gonna be here soon. We're waiting at the pool, you know, just putting our little feetsies in the water, waiting for her. So I'm nervous. We're gonna see though what's gonna happen. So. Yo!
Myracle trying to surprise me because that's Amos' truck. They must be in the house. And then I went in the house. I said, she here, her bag here.
Oh, you ain't even going in the bedroom. My bag's in her room.
I ain't going her.
I was like, she gonna go in your bedroom.
No, I just saw her bag. They surprised me. Oh, that was so sweet. Oh, love you.
Love you.
Myracle trying to surprise me because that's going Amos' truck. She said she was at the pool because I said I hear a lot of cheering. And she was like, yeah.
See, I knew when you said pool, I was like,
But she got a pool.
I have a pool. I thought you was gonna be at Miss April house when we got here.
Yeah, because I was gonna stop over here. But she giving me both of my cheering. I'm so excited. Oh, you recording me? You messing with me? I'm excited. I got both of my cheering here for Mother's Day. And it's the best Mother's Day gift ever. So guess what?
Oh Lord.
Xavier came in town and surprised me.
what's up, sir?
Xavier.
He said, "What is it?"
Who is that? Who's that?
When I was walking down the steps, and leaned over the balcony and I saw them walking down the road.
Insert clip here.
Insert clip here.
Because they videoed and I was jumping up and down.
Normalize volume.
Now you'll get to meet him in person.
I don't know why they keep doing that.
Oh,
So
Little
what y'all doing?
Is it this? What? I don't know.
Guess what?
Ambrosia crazy.
You know what? You got issues. Don't nobody want to see that. Want to see my Mother's Day gift? Why? Look at my Mother's Day gift.
Hey. Hey, Auntie.
Wait a minute. I just realized so Myracle talking about she at the pool.
I know, right?
I was at the pool. I was just at her pool.
That's a good one, Myracle.
Yes.
Y'all figure this out. What is the answer to this one?
Black humans have. Okay.
When you go to a temple to praise God, you have males and females there.
Bathhouse?
Baptized.
No, I probably ain't supposed to say this, but she got bless her. Bless her.
Bless her heart. Ah!
There you go.
What game is that?
Oh, Lord, she about to drop
She
right
about
to
to.
Walmart.
Culture tags.
See how I look? Culture tags. All right, we're going to get that one, Doug. That's another game we're going to play. Culture tags. And then she got... Wait. Oh, I know that's right, girl.
It's her. It's Ambrosia fault why she getting so cultured.
Hey, your niece said it's your fault that I act like I act now.
That's not what she said.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You get it from Jordan. She get it from you.
She say, Auntie, we don't say that no more. I'm like, damn, when y'all change that?
That's the new word? Oh, it must be right because Ambrosia, Myracle like this. Oh, that mean you lying? Ambrosia said she thought it meant for real, we got this.
No, Cap like no, you lying.
Oh, I did that wrong.
Yeah.
No in front of
But then no Cap when you actually agree with them. Oh, that movie was bomb. Like no Cap.
I need to consult.
Can you hear me, Ma? Wilma? Hello?
Love you.
Later.
Look at Melissa under the car. Poor Melissa. That's AJ cat. Is that a thing?
Why are you walking here hollering?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to AJ. Happy birthday to you.
Get any toy he want. If he gonna switch it out of time and back.
Oh, come on, man. Let's go.
Come on, you got it.
So all the way across. You got it.
Go. You got it.
Woo!
Come on.
Almost there.
Keep coming.
Almost there.
Keep coming. You got it. Keep coming.
It's okay. We angling, but that's all right. You got it.
You got it. You got it.
almost there.
Woo!
Yeah, go AJ.
Woo!
And I didn't realize until last night that she about
Nothing's gonna be as young ones, but you sure did it with the big ones.
yeah.
Mama, stop looking at me.
Tracy, you can show your picture on the wheel cam.
Look! I need this on Mother's Day! Whoop, whoop, whoop!
Oh my God.
My unpassable one. Got the little pipe. Woo! I got my own personal one. All right now. Whoop, whoop. Yes! Yes! I don't even know how to use this. Yes! I think this the coals. I think these
Okay,
are coals that
alright.
go on top.
Very good.
Okay.
And then I know you gotta put water in a bottle or something. I don't know how you use these flavors, but yes!
You wanna do a little puffy puff?
We can do some puffy puff.
A little puffy puff.
Cut it off.
Cut it off! Turn it off.
Why?
Cut it off. The show has ended.
Hi.
They surprised me. Hey! That is so good. I'm like, oh, I can't believe that. Oh my God. That's wonderful. Wow. Yeah, you do. Thank you. Oh my God.
Snack. Beautiful ladies. Look at them.
Thank you. Everybody now get y'all.
Look at that face. Ah, aesthetic. Purr. Both my mommies.
That is cute.
Yay.
All right, now I need to get all the churn. Come on, y'all. Self girl. She done got thick. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. Oh, if it hit, if it
It's taking it if you touching it.
Oh yeah, I'm touching the white button.
Yep.
Oh, I done touched it. Everybody, we can do a selfie. Everybody come together.
Hey. Mwah. Love you, mommy.
I enjoyed them. I had so much fun with them.
Thank you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you.